everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie Ann if you're new around here. Okay, so recently in one of my previous videos, I think it was my last shopping video, certainly when I went to B&M I think it was, and we purchased, like Chris picked up loads of those cartons of salt, not cartons of salt, but bottles, plastic bottles of salt, and I said that it was because he was making a homemade weed killer recipe. Gosh, honestly, loads of you have asked for the recipe. So interested in it because obviously it's pet friendly, and he's just about to make some up now. We've been waiting for the weather to improve because it's been raining, and it's not worth putting it down if it's wet out because it just dilutes the solution. So it's really nice at the moment. So he's just going to make it up, and I'll film it for you.
Right, the advantage of this weed killer is that it kills everything off and nothing will grow there for months and months and months and months. The ingredients are 5 litres of household white vinegar.
We got it from Amazon.
This was purchased from Amazon.
Yeah, I'll put
Other
the link.
supplies are available.
No, I'll pop the link down below for everyone. That's where we got ours. You can mix this up indoors. It's not. We're only doing it outdoors just because the light's good, but it's not like, you know, a lethal chemical or anything like that. So, how much are you making? Like a whole bucket?
One lot at a time. It's 5 litres.
Okay.
Of vinegar.
Oh, okay. So to every 5 litres of vinegar, then you're doing this, are you?
You add 1 cup of ordinary household salt.
Okay.
And then you mix that vigorously till the salt is dispersed. Like so.
It's all dissolved now then, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's dispersed throughout the vinegar.
Oh,
To
okay.
that you add all the household liquid soap, washing up liquid.
It could be any brand,
Any
we just
brand.
happen to have this.
Yeah. And you want, for 5 litres of vinegar, you want around a tablespoon to a tablespoonful and a half of
Washing up liquid.
washing up liquid.
So you're just guessing there.
Yeah, you don't. It doesn't. It's not an accurate thing.
Okay.
And what that does, it makes the solution slightly sticky, so it sticks to the leaves of the weeds and the grasses that you want to get rid of. Mix that all in, and then I need to go to the garage and get a watering can or spray nozzle.
I'm not going to lie, it smells lovely. It's like fish and chips. Oh, so it's still slightly frothy, like bubbly. Got some bubbles on the top. Well, that's obviously the colour.
This is the bit I normally have trouble with. Don't want it to fall over. So once it's stirred,
Right. So
very
now it's
gently tip it into.
time to get it into your watering can. Or I guess if you've got one of those pressure pump thingies, you could use that.
Yeah, spray
couldn't you?
bottle.
Spray
If you've only got
bottles.
small weeds, then
Yeah.
you know, and you can, once it's mixed, if you don't use it all, you can funnel it back in to your empty bottle.
Oh,
and it will
keep the
store
mixture
quite
made
safely in
up.
the garage. When you want to use it again, you just give it another mix.
Okay.
I will now go and pour this over the garden weeds.
So this is the state of like our driveway. So literally Chris is just putting it all over the weeds. This is what he did the other day,
It's one I prepared earlier.
and you can see that they've died off quite nicely. A bit more there.
A bit more to it.
Yeah. So he's still got this to go. So you're going to go and make that up now, are you? And yeah. Right then. So there you are then, guys. So that's it. This is how he's made the homemade weed killer, which, as I say, it is really, really good, and it's pet friendly. So, you know, and like Chris said, if you make it up and you've got too much, then you can just store it back into the vinegar, the big bottle that the vinegar came in, and keep it for next time. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel for more hints and tips and a lot more, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye for now. Sun's right in my eyes, so I'm squinting.